Olight's just released their new knife series, the OKnife, and the first was the drever, and this is a really smooth, I mean it is super smooth opening knife. It's on ceramic ball bearings. It's in 690 steel, stainless steel, G10 scales, blue accents. I mean, this is a very smooth, beautiful knife. I'll have the review annotated right above. You can check that out. But they've just released their Splint. This one is, I just got it in, so I thought I'd do just a quick tabletop review. This has a clip point blade. It is the N690 stainless steel as well. Kind of has a tumbled finish, more than the stonewash finish of the drever, and it does show up those highlights. It's really nice. Great for piercing, slicing. I mean, a lot of this knife, you know, of course, clip points are excellent anyway. Really nice flipper. Not quite as smooth as the drever, but the drever may be a little bit too smooth. But I love it, man. This is just a beautiful knife. But with the Splint, you have a thumb hole at the top. So you have your flipper here, and it is jimped, so you can get a good grip on that little flipper. And then you have, you know, your thumb hole opening. And the flipper mechanism also has jimping there. It's a liner lock with also jimping here. So it's a very solid stainless steel liner. It is an open design. It has G10 black scales. These are just beautiful. They have a little bit of grain coming through. Blue accents all throughout. Deep pocket clip. And in a lot of the same styling as the drever, but a little bit different blade design. And also you can see it's considerably smaller. The blade length is just under 3 inches. Overall it's 6 3/4 inches. And then when it's closed, it's 3.96 inches. So it's a very handy utility knife. I really like the size, but I also like the drever. I've been actually EDCing this one over the past couple of weeks. It only weighs 2.6 ounces. So it's a very lightweight, small knife, while the drever comes in at 3.6 ounces, and yet it is still super light. They also have a gray version, which has the non-finished stainless steel, and then it has gray G10 scales. They also have the Splint TI, which is a titanium scaled, but yet it has the S35VN steel. Now S35VN steel is a premium stainless steel, and then of course with the titanium scales, but the N690 stainless steel is an excellent quality steel. It's still on the budget side, but it's more of the premium line of the budget steels. So it's going to have good edge retention. It's going to be fairly easy to resharpen. Open design at the back, and you know, you can't change the clip to the other side. It's one-sided. The jimping right along the top, it's going to allow you to get your thumb really for delicate work. Very comfortable grip. The G10 scales feel nice, and with the jimping also from the top and from the little thumb stud, it's going to give you a nice grip. Very confident, and it is a small knife, so it's nice to have that little extra to be able to grip hold of it and have some confidence. I really like how the jimping comes up about halfway into the thumb hole. Just kind of a nice touch to it. Very well finished. OKnife, N690. Then we have Splint and the model number. The blade tension is really tight. There is no movement whatsoever. You can do a little bit of adjustment right here with a Torx wrench. As far as alignment goes, really nice. Maybe just a touch to the right, but very acceptable. With the drever, the alignment is honestly just spot on. And I think maybe adjusting right here at your pivots may give you a little bit more correction. Comes out really smooth, but the drever, I mean, that is beautiful. Honestly, two completely separate designs in length, in size, in blade style. So it's nice to see the Splint added to the line. That's typical for Olight. Comes in a really nice box. I mean, these are almost like iPhone boxes. Then we have a pouch. It has OKnife embroidered right on the little pouch. Velcro pull out our Splint. Beautiful knife. And then in this little side pocket, there's a challenge coin. Outdoor Elite, OKnife, here on the back, Splint. And I believe this is solid copper. So just a really nice touch. Everything goes right back into the pouch, keeps it protected. Now there's a lot of speculation on where these are made, but from everything I can tell, these I believe are coming out of Kaiser knives, which makes some really high quality knives. And we'll just see how, what they do as far as adding to this line. They do have the Night Claw, which is kind of a round disc that has a small little hawk bill that comes out, and that's one of the new knives as well. I haven't had one of those yet. But these are on OlightStore.com. I'll have a link down below in the description. You can get 10% off using Sootch00, which is for anything on the site, including flashlights. And we really appreciate Olight for offering the discount and also as an affiliate, which, guys, I've been reviewing Olight flashlights for over 10 years. I've been carrying them as an EDC for 10 years. They're just excellent lights. One of the things about the knives, the OKnives, is that they do have a lifetime warranty on them, which makes that really nice. But they are super smooth and very lightweight, and honestly, a great choice for EDC. And two, you don't break the bank, but if you want to upgrade, of course, the titanium model, is excellent. Now, the titanium runs $169.95. The standard drever and the Splint run $69.95. So very reasonably priced, get 10% off. Occasionally they do run sales, so you might want to check with that, but typically they'll run a flash sale with some of their knives or some of their products, and then they stay at regular price. And guys, we really appreciate Olight for sending both the drever and the Splint. It gives you guys another insight into what's out there, and the 10% discount really makes it nice, and you can go down to the link below for that. But looking forward to seeing some other offerings from the Olight line. And if you're a big fan of Olight, this is just a great little knife to add to your collection. Be strong, be of good courage. God bless America. Long live the Republic. Series, and the first one was the drever, the Splint. This is again, you have your jimping here, and there's a little step right here, right next to the thumb hole stud. It actually kind of comes out to about halfway. Come on, focus. They seem to be coming out from Kaiser. Dadgummit. I could just do this all day. I love fiddling around with my flippers. That's what she said.